How to draw an alien, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a circle in the center of the page. This will be the head of our alien. Nicely done. Now for the next step, we're going to want to draw the eyes of our alien, which we're going to draw on the inside of the circular shape that we just drew together. The eyes that we draw will look similar to slanted ovals. And keep in mind that we're going to want to draw the eyes to be fairly large. And if you're new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this, so if you want to see any more videos, then be sure to subscribe. Now once we're all done drawing the outline of the eyes, the next step will be to draw the outline of the lower body, beginning with the neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Let's draw two small lines for the neck, right below and attached to the head. Attached to what we just drew, we're going to draw two curved lines for the arms and shoulders. Now from that curved line that we just made on each side, we can draw the hands as well as the other side of the arms. For each hand, we're going to draw 3 fingers. And if you're enjoying today's video up until this point, then be sure to give us a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way, we can continue to reach other YouTube artists just like yourself. So as of right now, we have the outline of the head and arms drawn, so there's a small spacing in between the two arms. Right here, we're going to draw the torso along with the legs attached to the bottom. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Nice! Now we're almost done. Let's go ahead and fill in the eyes completely black. I'm going to fill in my eyes 2 different ways. The first way will be leaving a small white dot in the top portion of each eye. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in completely black. Then, based on your personal preference, you can decide what way to keep your eyes of your alien. So at this point, in just a moment, I'm going to go ahead and fill in those 2 white dots completely black. And last but not least, before I color in my drawing, I'm going to draw a small line for the mouth. At the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a cartoon alien. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.